Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Marianita and today I will be doing a complete fridge makeover. I'm really excited because I've been collecting these containers for a while. Containers are expensive, so I finally have all the ones that I need and I will be showing you guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time I post. So here we go. I have a mess in here. It is very unorganized. This is the side. What I have here. And there's veggies in here. Chiles. Also, I did a complete kitchen makeover. The fridge was part of it. And I'll link the video down below if you guys are interested in watching that. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to take everything out. Everything, and then I'm just gonna lay it on the counter and then I'll slowly start putting it back. Here we go. I buy this huge garlic container from Costco because I love garlic and you can never have too much garlic. Maybe I should focus on one area at a time just in case I give up. If you're a coffee drinker, let me know what creamer flavors you like. I'm always down to try new ones. Okay, so I have cleaned out my fridge and I wiped it down. Before I put things back in here, I'm gonna show you guys the containers that I have, and then honestly I haven't even thought about what I'm gonna put in what container, so we'll do it together. These are the containers that I'm going to be using. I already had the egg containers. These are the ones that I got. I got this 4-piece kitchen set at Costco. It was $20, so I think that's a really good deal because it comes with 4. And then I got these at Walmart. I got these, and then I don't know if you can see those. I have different ones here. I'm honestly struggling on how to start, so I'm just gonna start with the easy stuff. I'm just gonna do the sodas first. Container from Home Goods for $4.99, and I'm gonna put my creamer in here. I'm gonna have to buy more. This is gonna bug me. This one is for berries. I already rinsed it. Everything in the containers, that way it looks more pretty. Done. And I labeled them because, like I said, I'm gonna add stickers to it. And then also I'm gonna have to get another one of these bottles because Bunny bit it. Look. So now it has 2 little holes. I'm gonna add other stuff in these containers that I got. These are almost like the containers you get when you go out to eat and you ask for your food to go. There's this size. This is like the large size. This is a medium size. and then this is the small size. So I really like these because they have different sizes and they're clear, and so I'm going for everything kind of clear in the fridge. This is what it looks like. So that's done. I have cottage cheese. I love cottage cheese. I eat it for a snack. So I put it in this one just because I know I'm gonna get more. I always get the same size. Now I have some cream cheese. It's new. So the cream cheese I'm gonna put in this little one. I just went grocery shopping like maybe 3 days ago. Okay. Cookie dough. I'm gonna add that one here. I got these bamboo containers at IKEA. They're super cute. They're glass and they come with a little lid. I got 2 different sizes. I'm gonna use these for leftovers. So I have some chicken left over from the from when I went to Costco. I have some beans here. I'm gonna throw them in here. It's really gonna bug me that it's not filled all the way. So these containers are 36 ounces and the creamers are 28 ounces, the big ones. So it's always gonna be empty, so that's really gonna bug me. So what I'm gonna do is, since I already took off the tags, I'm just gonna empty them and pour my margarita mix that I have. I'm just gonna pour it in there. Okay, so now that I've poured everything, I'm gonna go make my stickers. Okay, so I am in between all of these fonts. These are the same, but I like that, but I feel like, honestly, I feel like this one is nicer. I don't know, you guys. Okay, so it is currently cutting. It just started. It is almost done. Okay, so I have all my labels, so I will start putting them on the containers. You guys don't want to see the freezer. Okay. Oh my god, it looks so cute! Okay. Look how cute! It looks so pretty! Okay, let's do them all. Containers that I'm going to be using for my creamer. Bottles. I'm going to move on to my containers now. Okay, you guys, the fridge is finally done. I'm gonna show you guys the before. this is the after. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I do random giveaways. The winner for last video's giveaway is right here. Congrats again. And again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good day.